God bless you, everyone. I just want to encourage you all to seek the Lord Jesus while he may be found. Hell is real. Jesus Christ is coming soon. And if you don't have him in your life, please, I encourage you to come to him. We are all going to die one day. Jesus Christ died on the cross to save us from hell. So please give your life to Jesus. You don't know when you're going to die. And it's a serious thing. Heaven is real. Hell is real. So please, people, come to Jesus. He loves you so much. God bless you guys.